listeners, today we are going to start with chapter 13, that is weather and season. So in this chapter we will study about summer season, rainy season and your winter season. Right, as you know that weather changes day to day. आपने देखा होगा मॉर्निंग में अभी बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी है, हॉट सन दिखाई दे रहा है, एंड इन आफ्टरनून देयर इज अ डार्क क्लाउड्स एंड रेन ओवर देयर. व्हाट आर दीज आर वेदर चेंजेस जो डे टू डे चेंज होते हैं. सीजन क्या होता है आपका सेम रहता है फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, राइट. So here warm up given, you have to identify the picture and write the names of the season. What is weather? Condition of air around the earth is called weather. Sun, clouds, rain and wind. What it makes? Weather. Weather is hot or cold, cloudy or sunny, wet or dry or windy or calm. Weather keeps on changing from day to day. Weather जो है वो आपकी day to day change होती है. If we talk about weather condition, ये क्या रहती है? Same रहती है. Right? For the months is called season. We have three main season: summer season, winter season and monsoon season, जिसे हम rainy season भी कहते हैं. First is summer season. It's very hot and the sun shines and it's sunny, hot and dry. Hot and fast moving wind blow, जिसको हम लू कहते हैं. आप सन के नीचे खड़े नहीं हो सकते, इतना ज्यादा गर्म होता है. एंड वी यूज अ फैन और एसी और कूलर. वी वियर लाइट कॉटन क्लोथ्स एंड हमें प्यास भी बहुत लगती है. And what we like to drink? Cold drinks and juices. Then we have rainy season. Mostly clouds cover the sky. Sometimes fast wind blow. Rains are there. And फिर उसके बाद आपने देखा होगा cloudy हो जाता है, windy हो जाता है, wet weather हो जाती है. We use raincoat or umbrella to protect us from rain. And we float paper boats in water. Right? So clouds are made up of very tiny droplets of water. And why is rain important for farmers? भाई farmers के लिए rain क्यों important है? Because they grow crop को grow करने के लिए. Next is winter season. It's very cold and sun do not shine brightly. और हमें क्या चाहिए होती है? Sunlight चाहिए होती है. We like to sit near the fire or heater and we put on thick woolen clothes and we like to take tea or coffee. और हम क्या पीना पसंद करते हैं? Tea और coffee. Right? So this is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying.